With growing commercialization, grows the need of efficient management too. In the last decade or so, commercial establishments have become the centers where the business and commerce have been accentuated at. These establishments, like shopping malls, healthcare facilities, corporate workplaces, industries or hotels, propel economic growth in respective sector and employ human capital in large scale. With the extent of enormity, the issue of efficiently managing the manpower, resources and the available time becomes really very crucial. In view of this, well-organized facility management is in actuality the heart and brain of any commercial venture. And the most preferred and admired choice across all sectors is the world-class, dynamic, state-of-the-art facility management system, Teams FM. The precise solution to all your concerns pertaining to workflow management, productivity, and value for money efficacy. For completely automated, flawless work, connectivity of systems is an absolute necessity. Mobile computing and robust software solution have become the key features of a good facility management team. At Teams FM, updating and processing energy data is purely an integrated systems function. For greater functionality and progressive monitoring, activities like AMCs and PPMs are crucial checkpoints. At Teams FM, they could be efficiently handled without any manual error or delay. Even the tracking of employees is done through the system in a remarkable manner. For well-organized complaints resolving, upwards escalation through the hierarchy is the way. At Teams FM, auto-escalation is the feature of the new advanced system, and the benefits are endless. Experts believe that the use of mobile devices, cloud technology, and real-time data analysis will revolutionize the way the industry operates. At Teams FM, the entire system fits into your pocket. Yes, we mean it. Teams FM is also available in the form of mobile application, so you have the access to the system even on the move. This application runs even in the absence of mobile network coverage. Thus, with Teams FM, you could exercise better control, greater efficiency, finer accuracy, and superior cost effectiveness. Because Teams FM is the one-stop solution for total facility management, engineering works, and security management. In Teams FM, the real-time user interface, that is the dashboard, provides easy access to valuable data centers, such as TFM complaints report data, back-office complaints report data, engineering complaints report data, AMC report data, PPM report data, KPI report data, HSEQ data, and energy data. Thus, the dashboard gives you the absolute command over the present situation. And what's more, dashboard customization according to your specific needs could also be done. Much more than the conventional facility management tool, Teams FM is actually a corporate governance system that could facilitate vendor management, energy management, and people management, and empower you for insightful budgeting and audits too. To cut the long story short, Teams FM for you is the precision and perfection of facility management. Over and above its regular benefits, it results into consistent savings in deployed manpower, turnaround time, energy, stocks, and last but not the least, money. So if complete peace of mind is what you aim at, grab your key today. Teams FM. Minimum resources and maximum governance. Deliver.